What's that?
It's an
Explorer kit. It's
Explorer
outdoor.
and then
Explorer kit. Let me see. It's outdoor explorer kit. Oh, you're gonna explore.
yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay. Wow, what's that?
What's this, Mama?
Put it, or put it down. Is that a spider? That's a spider inside. You're gonna explore the spider. What's that?
This
Oh, telescope. Wow, nice.
for?
That's nice. Let me see. Nice telescope.
What's this?
Oh, that's a flashlight. A portable flashlight.
A portable flashlight. Yeah.
Okay. What else?
What's this?
Wow, whistle.
Yeah.
Whistle.
What's this?
That is your vest. I
My
think this is a vest. It's a vest, Bella. And then a hat.
And what's this?
And then a bag. A net.
What am I gonna get?
Ano pa yung nandyan?
Scissor.
Scissor.
And this. Oh, lumabas. Lumabas. I took it out.
Oh, what's that? Tweezer.
Twister.
And magnifying glass.
Now let's open them na.
Okay, wait a minute. Line them up muna. Nice. So you have the vest, the hat, the bag. What's this? Telescope, flashlight, scissor ba to? Itong magnifying glass, the spider. And what is this? A net. And whistle. That is the outdoor explorer kit. Yay! Okay. Suot mo na yan. Yung vest mo na.
Can I put this on?
Yeah. Wow.
And now this.
Yeah. Here, you need help? Do you need help?
No thanks. Where is the front?
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Where is everybody? Is this the front?
Yes.
Where is it, Mama? Where is it?
Here. You unzip it, oh. And then you zip it. Zip it up. Zip it up.
I couldn't do it, Mama. I can't do it.
No, you pull this up, oh. This is the zipper. Pull it up. Yay! You got it? That's it. And then you put this. Yan. Oh. Yusin mo. Nice. Let me see. Ooh, ganda. Ang ganda. Wow. Let me see.
I wanna get the spider out.
Ay, ang galing ah. Wow.
I want to get the
Look at that.
spider out, but I can't.
Yeah, I don't. You want to take it out?
Mm-hmm.
It goes one like this. Whoops. Whoa. And then, you pulled it down. Show it to them.
I can't do it, Mom. I can't open it.
Yan, ganyan. And then, there's the magnifying glass. Look. The spider is bigger, Bella. Look. Oh, you look. The spider is bigger. See? Oh,
Wow.
nice. That's a nice
Can
one.
you please open that?
I don't think you can open it. Sit properly, baby. Ah, magnifying glass. Doon, punta ka doon sa ano. Look, kung merong kung merong...
Oh, there's a frog.
There's a frog. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
There's a frog. Isa pa, dito. Look. Look, if there's an animal here. Or an insect.
Where?
So anywhere. You look at the leaves. Look. Look at the leaves over here. Oh, come on. Magnifying glass mo.
It's not. I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet.
No. No.
What else do you have?
Mama?
This is the spider. Ano pa?
How do you open this? How do you get it out?
You cannot get it out.
Gusto ko. No!
Put it back. Oh, you put it here, oh.
Hiya! I got the spider.
Oh, you got the spider.
Uh-huh.
You got the spider. Bella got the spider. Bella the explorer. Stand up, anak. What's that?
The spider.
You can put it around your neck. No, give it to me. May tali pa. Itanggalin natin yung tali. Put around your neck. Wow! Bella the Explorer. Nice.
Let's see if this.
You can put that in your pocket. The flashlight.
Where do I?
Or put it in here in your bag. It's called the adventure bag. See?
No, ayoko.
You put it in your adventure bag.
No, ayoko.
No?
I wanna play.
You wanna play with your toys?
I'm gonna grab this. Here.
Look at that. That's nice. Ah, may nahuli si Bellang spider. Look. Look, nahulog. Nahulog yung spider, Bella. Bella, look at there's an ant. Look, nasan yung magnifying glass mo? Look. Tingnan mo. There's an ant. You see the ant?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it.
You're gonna get it?
Where is it? There now.
What can you say about that adventure explorer kit, Bella? What can you say about it? Is it a cool Bella? Is it a cool toy?
How do you make it big, Mama?
Yan, ganyan. No, baliktad. Ganyan. Oh, you look inside. Am I big? No? Oh, look. Do you have... Wow! What do you see? Do you see the bird in the sky? Look, over there, on top of the tree.
Where?
Dun. Look, on top of the tree. Do you see a bird or an airplane? What do you see? Can you see something?
No, not yet.
Let me see. Dito ka. Hindi kita makita eh.
I can see the bird.
You can see the bird? Try to look inside the You see me?
I'm not gonna.
Oh, what are you gonna look? For the ant? Wow, Bella the Explorer. Look at me. Look at me. Uy. Bella the Explorer.
Oh, let's go inside na.
Okay, put it all in your backpack. What can you say about that toy? Is it nice? You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you gonna tell them?
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Right here.
Yep. Nyek. Oh, what you say? Is it a nice toy?
It is.
Are you gonna tell them to buy the toy? This one? Are you gonna tell them to buy this one? Explorer Outdoor Kit. Oh, ano nang sabihin mo?
Saan yung suit?
Ayan.
Like and subscribe. Buy this toy. It's so cool. Click here and subscribe.
Thanks for watching my video.
Thanks for watching my video.
Bye-bye.